Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. And in today's video we are going to review a brand new product. And in today's video the product that we are going to review is the Pampers Active Baby Diapers. So these are the Pampers Active Baby Diapers, which are one of the premium diapers available from Pampers. So today we are going to review this product. So guys, before I start off with the review, let's start off by looking at the packaging of the product. So the product comes packaged in a plastic pouch here, plastic packing right here, and right here is the Pampers branding. You can see Pampers branding right here, the Active Baby branding here, and then it says 5-star skin comfort because it is very comfortable. The best Pampers, this is the best Pampers in the Pampers brand of Pampers available. So this has been the best of the best in Pampers. Right here they have shown a kid who is approximately 2 to 3 years old, and this is an XL size which I have bought for my daughter. This is an extra large 12 plus kgs, and this is a pack of 56 diapers. Same info on the other side in a horizontal way, they have it here. This was vertical, this was horizontal, the same info as here. On the sides of it, what do we have here? They're given the manufacturing date on the side. Right here, the manufacturing date mentioned. Right. So Pampers are available. Basically, Pampers Active Baby pants are available in all the possible sizes from newborn to XXL. This is the XL size that I have right now. It's also available in newborn, small, medium, large, XL. Right. So this is the extra large version that I have, which is 12 kgs plus, right? Now what are the features about this Pamper? So it provides up to 12 hours of absorption. It has an extra dry layer. Along with it, it has an extra dry layer. It contains baby lotion to keep the skin smooth. It has soft stretchable waist and side bands, so you can stretch it and tie it tight. It is soft like cotton. It gives a nice cottony feel as well. So these are the features of the product. It's very simple to use. It's a tape style diaper. It's not a pant style diaper. It is a tape style diaper. You need to put the diaper under the baby's body, pull the elastic side properly, and then apply both the sides in symmetrically in position to the landing zone, and adjust the cuff around the legs on both the sides, and it's in place. So let's go ahead and check out the Pamper. So I'm quickly going to tear it up, and here we go. So this is a pack of 56 diapers that we have here, and here is the Pampers Active Baby Pamper. So very colorful, amazing design. They have small animals printed on it. There's a lion, there's giraffe, and a small bird on the back side. So guys, this is the front side of the Pamper. This is the front side of the Pamper. So you can see that there's an absorbent pad inside. There's an absorbent pad here, and the feel is very nice and comfortable and soft. It is. It's not very rough. It is very soft and nice. So it doesn't create a rash on your baby's bottoms. So guys, like I told you, this is a tape style diaper. So here's the tape. It has this tape, the sticks on, and it has 2 tapes. So very simple to put it on as well. In the newborn diapers, right, they come with a measuring, like when to change the diaper measurement strip as well, that comes on a diaper, which shows you how much urine is filled. It's not available in medium, large or extra large, but it is available in the newborn and the small size diaper. Yeah, which is also helpful. That is an amazing technology. I think they should have implemented it in every diaper right now, but unfortunately it's not available in the larger sizes. It's only available in small and medium newborn sizes. Coming to what I like about this diaper, this is a perfect diaper. It's an Active Baby diaper, and true to its name, doesn't matter how much your baby runs around, plays around, the diaper stays in place. And it absorbs quite a lot of urine, I would say. Not completely 12 hours of absorbing power, but definitely it provides for at least 5 hours, like 4 to 5 hours of absorbing, like a good absorbing of say 6 to 8 glasses of liquid it can absorb. So yeah, it's an amazing product. I like it. I have been using it for my daughter from the time she has been born. Like, I tried a lot of products first, but then I settled down to only Active Baby because this was one of the best diapers available in the market, and it was perfect and it never caused a rash for her. And we have been putting her Pampers every day from the time she has been born, and it has never caused her a rash on her bottoms. So that is a good part about it. Like, I tried some other brands, and like in 2 uses in 2 days she had a rash all over her bottom because of the diaper. But this diaper I've been using since she has been born, like she has been infant, and there has been no rash at all, even by daily using it. So yes, it is an amazing product. I like it a lot for my daughter, and I would always prefer the Pampers Active Baby over any other diaper in the market. Coming to the price of the product, so the MRP of the Pampers Active Baby is, I think it is 1,549, definitely on the higher side, but you all can avail discount by buying it online on Amazon or other retailers available online, which provide a good discount on these Pamper products. So guys, if you all are planning to buy the Pampers, I'll have the link to Amazon in the description below. You all can buy it from there. And if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.